Okay, guys, let's get ready to rumble. Okay, today we're going to be exploring what you can do with your cell phone. I've noticed that a lot of people have kind of been using and taking pictures, but they have no idea of all the things and functions that give you a little bit more creative process in using your phone to make pictures. Um, right now, we're going to explore that, and this is going to be a little bit more of an adventure in finding out how a tool works. This is one of the biggest things that you will be learning in photography is that a lot of the tools that you have, you need to know how they work in order to be able to get them to function for you. So what we're going to be doing is looking at what your phone to do. So if you're looking at your phone, the video below, she walks you through where and how you get into some of your settings on your phone. And the thing that you may need to do is do a quick search on internet to find out your style and your model of your phone and find out exactly what it is, and then look at for your camera. So you're going to have a camera on both sides, and we're going to be looking at the biggest format and everything. And as you see, my phone has functions here at the bottom. It has a little camera phone down here at the bottom. When I click it, it opens up my camera for me. And if I just move it slightly to the right, it shows me additional functions on my phone. You're going to be finding out what all these functions are. You're going to go into them and find out what they're going to be doing. And you're going to be recording them on a Google document for me. For you to understand what your what your still camera will do on your phone, front and back, you need to look at your phone and find out what it is. So this is kind of, again, a look into what those phones will do, how to set the shutter, whether or not you can do a panoramic view with multiple pictures stacked together. It allows you to make your images darker and brighter. My phone does a number of things. It will take time photos, and there is a place on your phone, and just about all of them, that will give you a time function where it will give you a couple of seconds before it takes the picture. And most of you guys probably already know where a lot of this stuff is on your phone. So as you tap in and you find these things on your phone, you're going to find out what an ISO is, what the shutter speed is on it, different modes and different colors, and the auto white balance, and how to even manually focus. Or I should say, it's not a manual focus, it's more of a selection mode for your focus. So this is what you're going to be doing today. Shouldn't take you that long. Hopefully you spend 20 minutes on finding out what your phone's doing. Try a couple of pictures on it and see, because we're going to be using these to find out. If you're not using a cell phone, borrow one from somebody and have that to use for when you take pictures, because a lot of the pictures we will be taking will be outdoors. And if you don't have a phone, we're going to struggle. Let me know if you can borrow one. If you don't have one, check to see if somebody, and I'm assuming somebody in your home or somebody you know, you can borrow a phone from and use that for this assignment. So if you have any questions, email me and I'll talk to you then.